Coming to you live from the QCast studio. This is Live on Q on a Saturday. Got me here, Francis. It's 4:21 in the afternoon. It's such a great weekend we're having here in Doha, Qatar, and I'm so glad to be having this conversation once again with, of course, let me put him on screen, Miss Kristen Chi of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy, and of course, in HR, and of course, our special guest for this afternoon, Miss Dorilly Makaray. Good afternoon, Doris.
Everybody.
Yes. How are you today? Doing great. How about you, Miss? It's actually a pleasure to have you finally onboarded on Live on Q. And of course, Miss Christine Chi, how are you doing today?
You know me. I'm always good.
That's lovely.
Ganda ng intro mo.
Yes.
All right. Good afternoon to all our viewers. We're streaming live on facebook.com/QCast. If you haven't subscribed, or should I say liked our page, please do follow our page. We have an early shout out. We'll get to your comments later on. Pero nagpaparamdam, okay? But let me go straight first to Miss Doris. So let me give you this floor. I'd like you to introduce yourself for those who didn't know, like a little bit of background about what you do. What's your stature in the community, perhaps, so they would be aware of who are we talking to this afternoon. Go ahead. The floor is yours.
Foremost, thank you for having me.
Of course.
Like the invitation's been like
overdue.
Yes. For months.
For months, yes.
Yeah.
Well, yes. So in the community, they call me Dory.
Yeah.
So yan yung gusto kong malaman nila. Kasi yung pangalan ko is somehow like different.
Mm-hmm.
Parang unique pa siya. Then later on, I came to know that Dorilly is like a Frenchman's name.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Dorilly.
I see.
Ginugol ko pa nga eh. Frenchman
nice.
Talaga. But
Kaya ako,
actually,
Dorilly, paso natin.
Pwede. Pasak yan.
Huwag kang mamaya isipin nila magaling akong kumanta. Sintonado kaya ako. O, diba?
Okay. And then, what exactly was your, I would say, position in the Filipino community in the past few, events that we had here in Qatar?
Well, currently, I'm the vice president of the PHRPQ.
Ooh.
Wow.
So, yan. Actually, siya yung baby organization pa siya.
I see.
So, it was like 2022 when we had it conceptualized. Shout out to Miss Amy and Richard.
Hi, Miss Amy. Yes.
Yan yung mga kasamahan namin. So, before PHRPQ, I've been with Toastmasters.
Yes.
That was it since 2015.
I see.
Ayan.
It's a long time ago.
Ang pinaka-mother organization ko for the Toastmasters, yung IIEE.
I see.
IIEE SQC Qatar. Shout out sa IIEE SQC kay Sir Robert. Hello to you all. So, before again, sa Toastmasters, nandun din ako sa mga community, sa mga Pinoy Wise, sa mga ganon. So, I've been like invited over as resource person, ganon.
I see. Wow.
Dami.
You
Ang
have a lot of
amazing pala
reach.
ni Ma'am Dory talaga, no?
And yung recent nga is yung Jobs Qatar.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
We'll be talking about it actually. There's a lot of people who's wanting to know more about Jobs Qatar. For those that didn't know, it's like an online platform. You can find it in WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
It's a group wherein if you're looking for a job, if you're posting a job, at the same time, if you need like people to connect to, if you're looking for a new opportunity, that would be the best avenue.
Yes.
And right now, how many members do you have for?
Well, it's officially 8,000.
8,000. Wow.
And it's a combination of employers and job seekers.
Yes.
So, mayroong particular group in which all the contributors who are representatives of the companies and also recruiters, they post their jobs there in the first group. Afterwards, yung admin, yun naman i-share sa different groups.
Yeah.
I see.
Yes,
Wow.
ganun siya. And different nationalities na to. So,
So it's not just for Filipinos.
not just for Filipinos. Everybody's welcome, basically. I'm sure yung iba may mga work na, may mga nahanap ng work,
Yeah.
pero tumatambay pa rin doon.
Diba?
Still looking for another opportunity.
Malay mo, di ba?
Diba ka napasubo dun sa unang
Sabi ko, malis
trabaho.
na kayo, yung mga nakahanap na ng work, malis na kayo para pagbigyan naman natin
Sana
yung
may
iba.
testimony sila na I'm
Yeah.
done. Meron ako ng job dahil nakita ko dito sa GC na to,
Yes.
diba?
May mga iba, sana mag-shout out yung mga
Yeah,
yun. Mga
yes.
nakahanap
That's
ng
true.
mga work. I came to know some na talagang shinare nila sa mga recruiters also. Like last night, we had an event sa board members ng
I
PHRPQ.
see.
So, sinabi niya, Ma'am Dory, very helpful yung Jobs Qatar kasi I've been posting sa LinkedIn, sa website namin, pero iba yung dating nung nag-post ako sa Jobs Qatar. I get to have more applicants, basically.
I see.
So, yun yung maganda rin doon.
Would it be the reason why, kasi lahat ng tao nasa mobile nila?
Yeah.
That's the reason why you have more respondents if ever you need to secure CVs, applicants, and so on.
Actually, kasi yung
I see.
WhatsApp naman, yun yung number
Yeah.
one nating kumaga communication app na
Dito
pwede
sa
nating
Qatar.
ginagamit dito
That's
sa
true.
Qatar.
Very true.
Alright.
And hindi lahat nasa LinkedIn.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, hindi lahat nasa LinkedIn. And the good thing now is because we are in an era in which not about the influencers. It's not the influencers game na It's the community's game.
Yes.
So, yung mga iba na nasa community ko, nasa group ko, sinishare din nila kasi sa iba.
That's good. That's good.
So, it's the power of being
Social
in the
media.
community.
Yes.
It's the power of social media.
Yes,
Not really.
very true.
Do you consider WhatsApp as a social media platform? I would say. Di ko alam.
Check
But
natin
it's a
sa
tool.
Google.
If it's an
tool,
app.
yeah.
So
Yes.
okay. Anyway, all right. So let me talk more about Jobs Qatar. How did you started this whole thing? Like when was the year you started this Jobs Qatar platform?
Parang it was during the Arab Cup.
That was,
Yes, because during the
Anong
time,
taon
maraming mga 20...
I think
2022 or...
2022 is the
2022?
FIFA.
FIFA.
So
prior
mga
FIFA.
2020 or 2021.
Yes.
I see. So it's
Kasi-
been a long time ago, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 years na.
And then, na-reinforce na lang yung desire to have a platform to share this nung nagkaroon na kami ng PHRPQ.
Yes.
Kasi sa
I see.
PHRPQ, sa organization, she's there, teens there. So, marami kasing nag-feed ng mga iba't ibang mga vacancies. Sabi ko, sayang. Sayang pag hindi nila nalalaman yung iba.
Yes.
That's true. That's true,
And
actually.
HR naman, very busy, di ba?
Yeah.
So,
Walang pahinga.
pag hindi kasi ma-share doon sa iba, sayang lang.
I see. The whole time that you have been handling this Jobs Qatar platform, what were like the major challenges na na-encounter mo?
Well, because it's like, how do you say this one? Ngayon, I would say medyo tame na yung mga iba na administrators kasi before, we had an experiment because, di ba, it was not really like an intention to be a big thing, but then it became
Yeah,
a
it blew up the internet.
bigger. Well, bigger kasi until now, if you've seen my, I think
Yeah,
I showed you yung
Yes.
mga yung may mga iba pa na gustong pumasok.
Yeah.
Pero
Yes.
hindi ko pa sila napapapasok because the group where they requested to be in, basically puno na.
Yes. Laging napupuno.
Yes. So I have to manually add them to a new group. So yun yung medyo nakikita kong challenging because I have my full-time job and you really need to have additional admin to do that for the group, no. So before kasi the WhatsApp group was open to everyone. So because I wanted to build the community. So ang nangyari nun, anyone can speak, anyone can comment.
Yeah.
But yung iba by accident nakakapag share sila ng pictures, the videos or voice calls. So parang nakikita ko saglit. So we really have to regulate it.
Okay.
So in such a way that it became like yung mga administrators lang ang nakakapag-post na lang.
Yes.
Yes. So
At-
ayoko sana kasi gusto ko merong interaction. Gusto ko malaman din eto kailangan ko ng job, ganun. It went well basically. Pero
May mga factors kasi na hindi mo makontrol kasi whether you like it or not, may mga tao talagang makapag-send ng mga pictures. Pero not intentionally. Or sometimes napo-forward nila sa group ng yun which is not related dun talaga sa purpose ng group.
yes, yes.
I think it's also one of the, I would say, reasons as well na dapat merong regulation is they might spread something na hindi maganda.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, pornography or other things which are not really applicable to the group.
Yes,
Na hindi useful para sa mga iba.
Tama.
That's a good actually.
I have a question. Kasi 'di ba, since doon naman sa mga GC nang yun, how do you parang filter and to check kung alin po doon yung mga totoong job posts or job ads? Kasi may mga iba kasing, alam mo yun, nagsascam lang. They're just like getting the contacts and information. Pero when you check, wala naman silang ganong posting and then they will be offering different things.
Yeah. That's actually a good
Have
question.
you encountered the same scenario?
Before, when it was not yet regulated, yung mga contributors mo papasok na lang. Now, what I did was, ang lahat ng mga contributors, pinapapirma ko sila. Not pirma,
Oy, waiver.
Sorry naman. Pero, pinapa-fill out ko sa kanila yung isang form.
Yeah.
In which they mention who they are and what's their
I
position, which company they're
They're working for. I see.
Kasi sabi ko, and that's the main reason bakit kung nakikita nyo ako sa group, sabi ko, you are not allowed to add
Anyone.
other
Yes.
admin.
Yes.
For the reason na I have to know who the additional admin is. Kasi the sense of responsibility, whatever I will share from groups 2 to groups 8,
Yes.
ay galing sa group 1. So lahat ng pinost sa group 1, andun na yung responsibility na it came from legit
Yes.
sources.
That's true.
So matitrace ko yung responsible sa nag-post doon.
Yes.
Yeah.
So from the sa form makikita ko anong company nila. Ganun. So that's one way also from that's why nakikita minsan na bakit I'm so strict when it comes to that one. Kasi kailangan natin, kasi may disclaimer eh. Platform lang ako.
Yes.
So platform lang naman ako.
It needs moderation as well. Lahat naman ng bagay. I think anything you put out there, it needs to be moderated. Diba?
Kasi talaga may iba, they will use it for their own
Agenda.
agenda
Correct.
or
Correct.
sometimes wala lang, nang titrip lang. They just want to do something na hindi naman talaga okay or what.
Or even worse, they could scam people out of it.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi pwede sabihin nila, I have a job opening, tapos kailangan mo mag-send ng pera, ganito for processing. And, diba? May mga ganun, diba? Nangyayari.
Kasi usually nangyayari yan pag mga job openings na sinasabi from a different country.
That's true. And people who are there actually, I would say there's a bit of desperation for looking for a job.
Yes.
Kaya you have to do also what it takes for you to nail a job. Kaya kung anong pinapagawa sa kanila, gagawin din nila. Gagawin din nila, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing you have that kind of procedure para ma-filter talaga yung legitimacy ng mga job post doon.
And even before, some job seekers, they would like ask for something else.
Yes.
Actually, kung tignan mo yung phone ko, may mga queries ako outside the group. Can you find me a job? Can you help me?
How do you feel about it every time you receive like those kinds of messages?
Well, we've been like we're always constantly searching for greener pasture, isn't it? So when I receive message like that, I tell them that I'm not a recruiter. I'm not representing any company. I'm not working for anyone. This is a free platform. So I'm just helping you out, guys. So what you're going to do is to just monitor vacancies and then apply accordingly. Yes.
See. Okay. In terms of applying pala, maybe we could touch this a little bit. Diba? Kasi we mentioned that this is a platform that you post openings, job openings.
Right.
If I'm an applicant as well and I see that there's a job opening, maybe you could give us a little bit of tips how you can construct a strong CV, a strong resume. Kasi andyan na yung job eh. It just depends on you how you will be able to get that one. So let's start with, as an applicant, what is the best way to create a strong CV?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pagawa na lang kayo sa akin.
O, diba? Short and simple. Ipagawa nyo kayo, Ma'am Dory.
yun eh.
Well, kasi pag
And seriously, you do that?
no, they have to understand
Yeah.
they have to understand that being an applicant, it's not like you gave your CV and then be hopeful, okay, that's a good thing. But you really need to understand that when you apply for a job, every job is unique.
Okay.
So we recommend that CVs should be customized.
I
Yes.
see. Depending
that's
on
true.
the job.
Yes.
Yung mga keywords
posted.
kasi sa
Yes.
mga job, yun
Right.
yun.
We'll get to that
best
part.
tip- the best tip talaga is yung sinabi ni Teen, which is keywords. Because right
Okay.
now, you have two ways on how you're going to apply for a job and how your CVs are being screened. So the first one would be AI. So yung tool ng yung AI, talagang i-screen niya siya. So it won't work if your CV is like na-scan ng PDF or may pictures or
Yeah.
whatever. It has to be in a way that it is readable.
Yes.
Okay. So dapat
That's-
pala word file?
Yes.
Ah,
We recommend,
okay.
and not
That's a
so
good
much
tip.
of the characters, different,
Wow.
it's what you call as ATS friendly.
I see.
Dapat
ATS
friendly
friendly.
siya. Now,
So,
yes.
based on your experience, it's highly recommended that you use a Word file instead of a PDF.
well,
So
not,
PDF cannot be read actually by the system.
well, what I meant
ba?
for a Word file is not, it can be a PDF naman,
Yeah.
not necessarily a Word. What I meant is, huwag ka masyadong, how do you call this one? Dapat simplehan
Simple
lang.
lang. I see.
Simplelahan lang. And you have to choose the words properly. You have to make sure na kung anong sa ads, yung mga JDs, ganon. Make
Yun ang ilalagay mo.
Oo, ipasok mo doon.
Pero sure ka dapat na ginagawa mo yun.
Yes, of course.
It's a matter only of wording it.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
Wording it.
I
Kasi
see.
doon niya bibilangin or i-hit kung ano yung appropriate.
Ah.
Kasi
Yes.
nagbibigay din naman siya ng ano. Yes.
Oh, so that's how it's being done by larger companies.
Yes.
Yes.
Talaga. Kasi with the bulk of,
May
of
system
CVs
talaga
that they
kasi
get.
sila eh. May
ano,
database sila.
I
And that
see.
database will be used to filter.
I see.
Tsaka alin yung mga match. The more
I
match
see.
that you have doon sa JD nila plus your CV, mapupunta ka sa shortlisted.
I
And then there's another procedure for that.
I
Very
see.
true. Now,
So yung manual processing, like, I'm sorry, manual evaluation, does it still happen nowadays or?
oh yes.
Yes,
It
still.
does. Okay.
Oo. Not all are employing the AI tool. No?
I see.
Hindi lahat. Siguro sa mga malalaking companies, yes. But
I see.
many are still into the mano a mano.
Yeah,
type.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Tinitignan
The old
pa rin
school.
naman. The old school. Now,
Yeah.
what the best thing naman, the best tip naman I could say pag nag-a-apply din naman kayo sa ganun is where you have to make sure that your CV has to be at least maximum 2 pages.
2 pages
Yes.
only.
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi ang iba, di ba? I mean,
May
I mean, I
lima.
also had a little bit of I would say recruitment job dun sa previous work ko.
Yes.
And then it's really tiring to view a CV na 5-6 pages. Parang you would end up just putting them aside, di ba?
Yes.
Parang you would
Yes,
really
yes.
take time to look at it.
Yes.
But so, I mean, based on my experience, ganun yung
just-
nararamdaman ko.
It just needs 5 seconds.
5
Yes.
seconds.
Para
To glance,
tingnan yung
yeah.
ano.
Oh.
Oo. Ganun lang yun.
Okay. But that's
Parang
for the
sa
trained.
actually, yung first
That's for the
page,
trained eye.
Yeah.
I mean, for you guys,
Yeah.
di ba?
Like yung first page, kapag nakita mo yung mga keywords mo, let's say, sa HR, ano yung mga kailangan namin? May ERP. So, pag wala kami nakitang ERP doon,
Wala na.
paano kung yun yung pinaka-kailangan namin sa position ng yun? So,
Okay.
Yes.
It makes sense.
oo. So, yun yung pinaka-ano na parang trabaho ng mga HR. Akala nila we have the leisure time to see
Don't you?
all,
Charot.
all the contents of the CV. Lalo na kung bibigay sa amin, 6.
Aha.
Tapos, may mga maliliit na words, may malalaking mga words. Parang ano ang hirap kasi sa aming part. Paano kung naka-receive kami ng 100 CVs per day? And we're not only recruiting for one position. We have multiple positions na kailangan namin i-fill in.
I
So,
see.
para sa amin, kung sino yung makita naming applicant na, ito sumunod to sa kailangan. Yung mga kailangan namin mga skills, ganyan. So, pasok ka sa akin.
I see. Okay.
Additional din doon, yung kasi ngayon, when they post in My Jobs Qatar, ang nangyayari doon is send your CV to WhatsApp. Foremost, they should save their CV in a way that they put their name and the position they are applying
I
for.
see.
Yes.
I see.
And then there was a time that I mentioned in the groups how they are going to be sending their CVs over
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
So they have to greet the person kasi tao pa rin naman ang mga yan. So they have to say, hi, good morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then they have to mention the source. I saw your ads over Jobs Qatar.
I see.
And then I am applying for the position. Then they mention their position. And actually, there was a template which I did before.
Yes, there is.
Para siyang cover letter.
Kahit ngayon ginagamit pa din sila ng
Kasi
I
it would
see.
help the recruiters to be given the immediate information that they need. Otherwise, they would say binigay na lahat. They send all the passports, etc. So what would end up is, because at the end of the
Yeah,
day, they are
true.
sending to persons.
That's true.
They're sending to persons. They're not sending to a bot.
Yeah.
So it would be very helpful, basically, both ends, na they have to communicate the most immediate information.
Yeah.
And the CV, renaming the CV helps a lot.
Yes.
Wow.
Totoo yun. Actually, I remember one time when I was helping you with a CV,
Yeah.
then I suggested you to put your name and then which position you are.
Which position am I applying
Applying
for
for.
better? I forgot.
So,
Okay.
parang mas, para sa akin, in my own experience, tsaka, yun nga, yung preference ko, if I can see the CV na, halimbawa, ang hinahire ko is an HR and an admin, tapos ang nakalagay sa CV is HR and an admin, dun pa lang kita ko, sige, lalagay kita sa folder na to, then later on, I will look into
I see.
those CVs. So,
Keywords.
yun yung, hindi pa siya keywords pero yung naming the CV itself, yung
Okay.
file itself,
Okay.
doon mo makikita na, okay, so you're the person I'm looking for.
Tama.
I see.
Dapat magpapansin.
Yes. Totoo yan.
That's the
Yeah.
thing that as an applicant,
I
you
agree.
really have to have all the means in a way that they can really see you, get a chance
Yeah.
for your CVs to be how do you call this one?
Visible. Tama ba?
Notice.
To be visible, and
Noticed.
at the same time, hindi lang kasi siya seen. It
To-
has
to
to
be
be really
elevated.
read. They
Read,
really have to
yeah.
read
Be
your
read.
CV.
I see.
So
Wow.
sometimes I give you a tip. Pag sinabi like 5 pages, okay, next.
Yun pala yun.
Totoo yan.
Okay. So, at
So,
least we will learn something from this
Maximum
part.
2 pages, and then try to be
Readable fonts.
Oh,
diba?
yes,
Di dapat
yes.
pantay-pantay lang. Walang
Yes.
malaki, maliit. Okay.
So maximum 2 CVs, rename your CV, and say hi to
Yeah.
recruiters.
To the recruiter.
Yes, be
does
friendly.
it give you like a good impression if the person is following the instruction?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Talaga, as a recruiter. Kasi di ba, they may be qualified in so many aspects that the skill set are there that we're looking for. Pero pag
Yes.
wala silang hi, hello,
It's basically
next.
Oh,
Ganun ba
yeah.
yun? Ayun.
Basically-
I'm just wondering, di ba? Kasi it builds character
Yeah,
of the
basically
person,
kasi
right?
pag nasa company ka and yung person ang yun na pwede mong i-hire, wala man lang ng GMRC.
Yeah, GMRC.
Kasi later on, mapupunta pa rin yun sa HR
Yeah,
na,
that's true.
may attitude problem pala siya.
Yeah.
Pero yun yung mga one of the key points na tinitingnan namin na it's not just about the skills, pero yung the way na approach
nila.
yung
I see.
ugali, yung attitude.
Nice.
Syempre isa rin yun sa mga tinitingnan namin.
Yes.
Yeah. This is really mind-blowing for me. I mean, on hindsight, I know these things, but then hearing from you, it gives a better picture of what's going on in the background as an HR personnel.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, aplikante tayo for the whole time. I mean, for most of my
Do
life.
you know what makes a CV lengthy?
Ano yun?
It's because they copy and paste the job description.
Exactly.
Yes.
Oh, yun.
That
Tama.
makes it bulky.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, we're not after what was your job, how you described your job to before. We're after at the achievements you had.
Yes,
So,
relevance.
Yung
Okay.
i-highlight mo doon, what were your achievements, what you had done.
I see.
And then cut away the job description. They know for a fact what is a QS, what is a
Okay.
mechanical engineer. They know
Yeah.
that for a
Makes
fact
sense.
already.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
what had you contributed to your organization?
I see. So
that
that's
would
how you
make
gauge the
you-
applicant pala, no?
Yes,
Based
that
on
would
the-
make you
wow.
different from the rest.
I
Yes.
see.
Yes, and meron naman
good
din
tip.
kasi sa CV ng part where you can put your skills. Di ba meron ka naman ang list ng skills doon. So you don't have to really put descriptions what you did with those skills. Let's say meron kang skills when you're using Adobe Photoshop. Just put it in the skills. Then the rest, yung mga achievements mo.
I see.
Yes.
It's really
Meron pa lang,
overwhelming.
is it okay if we
Go.
if we answer one question here
Go
for
ahead. Actually, we have a lot of shout. Let
Yes,
me give
there's a
way
lot
first to the people having
Yes.
asking for a shout out this afternoon. So let's
Alright.
start with Trixie.
Yes.
She said, "My favorite people in one frame." Thank you so much, Trixie. Good afternoon, TM Trixie. To Christina Olase, Ting, good afternoon to you. Hello, Miss Dory.
Mommy.
And she said she loves this. To Frances, listening here from the Philippine HR practitioners,
HR
Qatar.
team, yeah.
Hello, Madam Doris and Francis. Good afternoon,
Hello,
Francis. She's a part of the HR team as well.
Gerard is
okay.
from PICPA.
No. I'm talking about
I'm sorry.
Frances because I think she's also an influencer.
Francis, yes.
Yeah,
Francis,
I see.
Famous
Good afternoon.
TikToker yan.
Oh.
Social media yan.
Kasama namin si
Napakagandang-
GC.
Oh, yes.
Hi to Sir Gerard
Yes,
Abuela.
hi,
Good
Sir
afternoon.
Gerard.
And
Yes.
to Sir Phil Davila Catino, ipa-shoutout naman daw Ma'am Dory.
Oh,
Ma'am
Yes.
Dory,
ano
shout
yan,
out mo
TikToker
daw.
din yan.
Yes.
Sir Phil.
Sino may TikToker dito?
Toastmaster. Toastmaster
TM din
to-
siya? I see.
Yes.
Miss Ella Venus, good afternoon
Si
to you.
Beshi
Yeah,
Ella.
Beshi Ella. And,
Sa LBC.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's a
yes.
lot more here. We'll get back to some of the shoutouts here,
Yeah.
but let's get to the question that
Yeah,
was raised
there's one
at the
question
comment section. Go
from Beshi Ella. Dapat po ba talaga walang picture ang
Ang CV. Oh, that's a good
That's
question.
very interesting.
Yes.
Yes. Pagdating sa ATS friendly, wag mo nang ilagay talaga.
But the ATS friendly is
Applicant
automated.
tracking system.
Okay.
That's for the
Database.
AI.
Yeah.
Because what it will do is once it babasahin niya, it will become like characters.
I see.
So it would not really help that much.
Yeah.
really.
Baka yung mga broken character pa yun, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah,
But-
diba?
I
Pag
see.
ano.
May image eh.
Pero pag sa manual, let's say, kasi mostly naman dito sa Qatar, mga maliliit pa rin naman ang mga company and they don't have the knowledge pa with the ATS or even using the AI.
Yeah.
So is it still good to put your photo on the CV?
For those mano a mano, you should
Yes.
put the
I
picture
see.
just as well.
I
Yes.
see.
Although wala siyang bearing, it's just that it gives you like the recruiter an idea who the person is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes you
Bala kong full of filter.
no. Alam nga naman
Yung tipong
maglagay.
puting-puti na yung mukha.
Alam nga naman
Pagpunta mo, the other way.
Sabihin mo nga sa akin, if you are going to give a document,
Yeah.
are you not going to give your best shot?
Of course you have to give.
dapat.
I mean some could like put an extreme filter just to look good
yeah.
on, diba? On
Ito
CV,
nga may
diba?
sinabi dito, reality versus ano.
Exactly.
Sinabi na.
So don't overdo it.
Yes, not overdo.
yung kilala ka pa rin dapat sa CV mo. diba?
Yeah, as close as possible to the
Yeah.
Baka yung pinaka-recent mo kasi
Yeah.
malay mo. Diba? Malay mo
5 years
high school,
ago.
ano ba yung lagay mo dun, diba?
Parang yung QID mo.
Uy, nagpalit ako ng picture ko sa
Nagpalit ka
QID.
na?
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi
Okay.
it adds value somehow. Kasi recruiter din kami previously. Like,
Yeah,
Ching
yeah.
would say. Previously. Kasi for one, it would put a certainty na ang kausap nila or ang aplikante is lalaki or babae.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kasi
Totoo.
sa dami kasi ng mga how do you call this
Yeah.
one thing in naming children.
Yeah. It could be a he or a she, but
It's
the
difficult
name
for
could
you
be
not
like
to-
a female or a male at
Yes,
the same
it's
time.
difficult for you to decipher whether
Yeah.
the applicant is a male,
Male or
or
female.
female.
Like
Yes.
Alex.
Oo.
Could be both a male and a female, di ba?
Yes, that's
So,
true.
ganun. Okay, that's
Dory.
actually a good one. Dory.
Babae yata.
Fish.
Fish.
Yeah, Nemo.
Finding Dory.
Finding Dory. She's here in QCast.
Yes.
Okay.
Yun yung actual pag tinatanong, hi, I am ganito, di ba?
Yes.
Pag ako naman sinabi, hi, my name is Dory. I'm the forgetful fish. That way you
Who are you
won't-
again?
Oo. That
Forgetful
way you
fish.
won't forget me.
That's
Kasi
nice.
if I say my complete name, parang medyo mahirap siya talaga.
Yes. Parang walang recall, no?
Yes.
That's
yes.
true.
Pero
Okay.
kasi may mga iba na mga application or mga job vacancy na nangangailangan ng picture.
Yes.
Depende yan. Let's say you are applying for a parang hotel
receptionist. I see.
Not necessarily sa mga receptionist, but yun sa mga VIP section, yung mga ganyan. They would require pictures kasi from there, finifilter nila kung okay ba siya sa ganito. Depende kasi yan
I
eh.
see.
Right. And alam mo ba na sa picture pa lang, it already shows off your attitude. So if you meant
like how?
If you meant business, then you should be in business
I
attire.
see. Okay.
I mean, di ba?
Naka-t-shirt,
naka-t-shirt.
It's so off.
Naka-t-shirt. Yes.
Oo nga naman, no.
Or wag naman selfie na nakaganon ka. Tapos,
Yes.
picture mo
Correct.
nun. Diba?
It's actually showing up. Yeah, a good thing about you raised it up is some people may not know it. They may have like a strong CV, pero yun sa picture pa lang, baka it creates a negative impression already, no? Dapat naka-business attire most of the time. You should be.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
Kung hindi
That's a
man
good
business
tip.
attire, at least formal.
Formal.
Naman.
With a collar.
Collar or basta yung decent one.
Decent
Kasi may
looking.
mga iba na masyado nakikita yung
Cleavage.
Yeah.
not only the cleavage, pero
Alin?
yung neck part, tsaka yung sa
I
dibdib.
see.
So, syempre,
Sabi mo depende sa pinapasukang trabaho.
sige, sabihin natin pwedeng ganun. Pero we're on sige, try mo.
Ayoko. Baka mapaklose yung QCast bukas.
Well, pinag-usapan natin yung CV
yeah.
and how to send CV sa WhatsApp,
Yeah.
what should be the formats, gano'n. But at the end of the day, nandun pa rin sa kung paano mo rin talaga mag-follow up.
I see. Okay. May tanong ako dyan. Like, how would a person know that it's time to do a follow-through? At kailan dapat siyang tumigil? Kasi baka mamaya, makulit na yung dating. Diba? I mean, you yourself, you could have like an assessment that I'm actually the one fit for this role, for this job.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm not getting any feedback from the recruiter. So, ano ba dapat ang gagawin ko as an applicant?
Yes.
Anybody can answer.
Si Ma'am Dory naman ngayon.
Kasi minsan, ako, honestly, I'm being hesitant to do that. Kasi feeling ko, makukulitan sila. Instead na maging okay yung application ko, baka it would turn out like they would create a negative impression for them and they would just set it aside. Diba?
Yes.
Okay, go
Give
ahead.
it a week. Give it a week.
A week.
And, and then there's a certain way how you're going to approach approach them, how do you call this one? Yung tipo kasing, yung parang kaibigan lang ba na medyo good morning.
Yes.
I sent my CV last week. May I know what's the update?
Yeah.
Mga ganong tipo ba? Yung ganon. Hindi mo kasi maiwasan na sa dami ng mga applicants. Hindi talaga it's a fact na bihira talaga yung bumabalik sa mga aplikante.
Yeah,
That they would
I could only imagine, diba?
Yeah. Imagine mo sa isang position, you will get like thousands of CVs. Sa thousands of CVs, is yung shortlist nila. I mean, diba? So, it's very tedious din talaga.
Yes.
Very
I
tedious.
understand.
So, those who follow up their application, advantage sa kanila yon.
Yes.
I
It gives
see.
them the point na, ito seryoso.
Interesado
Yes.
to.
Interesado.
Okay.
Kasi that person knows na may bentaha siya para pansinin mo at
Yeah.
bigyan ng chance.
Correct.
Yes.
All right. Pero up to what extent do they have to follow up? Like say for example, hindi responsive si recruiter, do you still need to go on or you have to stop for a while? After 1 week, nag-follow up ako, wala akong narinig sa recruiter.
Depende
Do I
kasi
need
yun.
to like send another message or do I give it like a while again before
Personally if I'm the applicant tapos hindi nagre-respond sa akin, siguro 3 is enough. Three times na.
times.
Yes. And of course, you have to go back dun sa application kasi may mga instructions dun. Like for example, ang CV isisend lang dito, pero sinend mo sa WhatsApp. So, mali yung pinuntahan
Way mo.
mong mali yung pag-send mo ng application, 'di ba? So if you will go follow up dun sa WhatsApp pero sa email dapat sinend. So dapat dun pa lang nagkaroon ka na oops, hindi pala ako dapat dito mag-follow up.
I see.
And of course, sa dami ng CVs, tama si Ma'am Dory, it's a tedious job talaga. So, yun, if ever you are if you have or have seen a deadline ng application, then after 1 week wala kang narinig sa kanila, siguro maximum, give it like 3 more days. Kasi malay mo, napakarami ng applicants,
I
diba?
would say, yeah.
Yes. And like for example, kung 1 month na wala pa, diba? Parang, di siguro ako dito, hindi ako natanggap or...
Parang self-assessment mo na yun na, okay, I think they already found an applicant suitable for the job. Diba?
Most probably.
I see, okay.
So there's si Alvin dito. Ito, talagang recruiter to.
Alvin,
2 weeks.
good afternoon to you.
Alvin from PICPA
Yes.
and also from PHRPQ
Yeah.
and all other organizations. Ayan.
Sabi niya,
yes.
go ahead.
So sabi ni Alvin, follow up once a week, maximum 3 weeks to follow up.
See.
Pero meron mga job posts, lalo mga government posts, hiring process will be
Minimum 6 months.
6 months.
Totoo
Sabi,
naman. Totoo
Tagal.
naman sa government.
Yes, that's true. So, ang gawin lang talaga is to check with them from time to time. And apply for as many jobs as you can.
Because you'll never know which one
You'll
will
never
respond.
know. You'll
diba?
never know. And
Okay.
revise, customize your CV often.
I see.
Update it depending sa pag-applyan mo. Nobody tells you naman na it's an easy peasy work
Yeah.
Yes.
to apply for a job. It's kasi malakas ang kompetensya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Especially here that we have
yes.
like not just with the skill set but also with the salary expectations,
Yes.
diba? Usually they would go for aminin din natin, they would go for, cheaper labor cost,
Yeah.
same skill set, diba? So, minsan doon tayo nadadali. Aminin natin. Pero okay, I have one question. Sige. What is the biggest selling point sa sarili mo kapag ka nag-a-apply ka? Not to mention all the skill set and then given na yun, di ba? Andun ka na sa level na yun. Pero what is one thing that will really make you stand out amongst all other applicants? Say, nasa interview ka na.
Nasa interview na.
Na-interview ka na rin finally.
Napansin na yung CV.
Napansin ka na.
So, napansin yung CV mo, pinapunta ka na doon.
So, interview day.
Yes.
Ganun.
Mm-mm.
Yan, approach, yung pinaka talaga na kailangan mo is smile.
Smile.
Yes.
I see. Even
That
if you don't know the answer.
No. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng
Wing
office.
it off.
Pagpasok mo lang
Okay.
ng office, malay mo yung una mong nakausap, yun pala yung
Interviewer.
HR
Oh, no,
or
tama,
interviewer.
tama.
So, the moment you set foot on inside the
The
office,
building.
yes, dapat talagang, hi, hello,
I
good
see.
morning.
Wag kang Ate Chona, ganun.
Huwag kang Ate Chona. Kasi
I
you'll
see.
never know. Malay mo yung
Oh.
nakaupo doon sa gilid,
Yeah.
yun pala yung manager mo or mag-i-interview sa'yo. So,
Tama.
yun talaga.
I see.
Kasi yung mga nakaka-observe sa'yo, lalo na mga HR, if they if they observe something na parang hindi okay tong applicant na to, mga ganyan. So, yun yung pinaka sa akin, yung attitude mo talaga, and you should smile and be ang tawag dito, approachable.
Be approachable.
Yes.
I see. Smile and be approachable. Okay. Ongoing na yung interview. What is the best script that you can deliver to the interviewer?
In
There's
what
no
sense? In what sense? The
What do you
opening,
Say for
the
example,
conclusion?
No, what is something that they're looking for? 'Di ba? Kasi may CV ka na eh. They have your resume. Nakikita na nila lahat ng nilagay mo doon. What would be one thing na pwede mong sabihin na I don't know, just a conclusive part perhaps na mag-made up ng isip nila na i-hire ka?
Do your research about the company.
The company.
Yes.
Okay.
That's one of the thing kasi kung alam mo kung ano yung position na talagang ina-apply mo dun sa company mo and you did your research, ano ba talaga yung magiging contribution mo sa
I
company?
see.
Yeah.
Kasi
Or maybe you could relate also the things that you've done in the past
Yeah.
which they need for this current role.
Yes.
Okay.
Which again brings back to what I've said a while back on the construction of your CV to mention all the achievements that you
Yeah,
had.
yeah.
Maybe that's one of the reasons why they were able to to call you for an interview
Yes.
because you've had enumerated achievements that you had. Oh, this person will be an asset
I
in our
see.
company,
I
something
see.
like that.
Nice. May point dito si Francis. Sabi niya, I feel that as an HR professional, we have a responsibility to provide feedback to our applicants, particularly when
yes.
we've had the opportunity to interview them.
Yes.
I would agree 100% because,
Yes.
you know, as an applicant and you've undergone through the process, you deserve a word from the recruiter as well.
That's true.
Diba? Kasi parang you leave us at the hanging point na parang anong nangyari sa ano? Nag-final na ako, wala man ng word.
Yeah.
As an applicant, you also need closure. Closure! Eh, diba? I mean, come to think of it, it's like, for you to move forward, you should know your status in the interview process. Kung pasado ba ako or
Yes.
hindi. Okay, admit it. Not all HR does this kinds of, you know, things that they have to say like a bid of farewell to the
Actually,
applicant. Diba? Hindi lahat eh.
Personally or
Yeah.
professionally, we have our own template naman.
Ah, okay.
So,
Like,
sa email, you have the template. You just have to customize kung anong position yun. Kasi, like, for example, after the interview,
the interview.
of course, there's at least one day para dun sa mga HR professionals to look into those rejected applicants.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
yun, sasendan talaga namin. But those shortlisted applicants, we make sure na meron kaming another email that congratulations, you passed the first round of interview, and then we will keep in touch for the next next step.
I
Mga
see.
ganon.
I see.
That's
Nice.
why dun sa Jobs Qatar, I mentioned there that normally whoever wants to post in my groups, I would tell them, I would give them a house rule. I have two parts, two items sa house rule with regards to address this issue. Sinabi ko sa kanila that they have to have like an automatic reply.
Yes.
When someone sends them CV over WhatsApp, there's an automatic reply via email or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And whenever they post, they have to mention there only the applicants, shortlisted applicants
Applicants.
will be
Contacted.
contacted, which means that if the applicants had not been contacted for some time, it gives them the notion that they are not really
Yes.
Okay.
qualified already.
That's a good setting of expectations,
Actually,
perhaps.
yes.
Yeah.
Sa lahat ng mga mga job posts na pinopost ko, meron talaga akong disclaimer dun na only qualified applicants
Will be
yung-
contacted.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
Pero hindi maiwasang may mga makukulit pa din, eh, no?
Marami talaga. Hindi mo, talagang marami sila.
Is it give you like a little bit of I would say desperation, knowing that we have a lot of people looking for a job at the moment? Kasi if you have that bulk, I would say applicants or your members sa lahat ng groups mo, it somehow it entails to the idea that we have a lot of jobless people at the moment.
Well, you can say it's not jobless, like jobless.
Seeking for a job.
Yeah,
Looking
they-
for a new opportunity.
Well, you can say it better like seeking a better opportunity.
Seeking a better opportunity.
Because
Okay.
many are still employed.
Yes.
There, if you are going to be like considering the numbers that I have, even the
8,000 sabi mo.
location, even their location, like ito ay outside Qatar.
I
So these
see.
were
Okay.
also like previous mga ex-Qatar
Yes, expats.
residents
I see.
before. They're trying to find
Yeah.
trying their
Luck.
break siguro, yung luck nila na makabalik sa work,
Yes.
ganon. And others are still really, mga iba, employed talaga.
Nice.
Yes.
And just
Okay.
seeking for a better opportunity. At may kanya-kanya silang rason.
see.
And we cannot delve into
Yeah.
those details.
Yeah.
Very intricate basically.
Yeah.
Especially sa mga construction sector.
Correct.
Ay,
correct.
totoo.
Yes.
Totoo.
So we just have to like keep it aside
Yeah,
for the
keep it
time being.
aside.
Anyway, we'll take a
Pero
quick break.
maraming tambay ha.
Parang kami. Charot.
Maraming
All right.
tambay doon.
Actually, I'm actually part of one of the group. So I'm trying to monitor everything happening there. All right. So okay, we'll take a quick break first, and then we'll get back with more together with Dory and of course Miss Teen. Christine. Teen Talk Show. We'll be coming right back. Stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Hey, we're coming back For Live on Q, this is episode, what are we on right now? Episode 15. Together with Miss Dory Makaraig. Thank you so much. And to everybody who stayed with us in the last hour, magandang hapon po. Tama ba? Hapon pa, yeah.
Hapon.
But it's kind of dark
Paggabi
outside
na.
already, right? If you notice, the weather's kind of changing here in Doha, and even the I would say the temperature, it's also dropping.
Yes.
Yung hapon na ang gabi na lakad-lakad, masarap na siyang gawin.
Oo,
diba?
kahit daw umaga, hindi ka na
Yes.
babaskil papuntang office.
Baskil.
To those who don't know, baskil, basang kilikili. O, di ba may nalaman kayo this
Ay,
afternoon?
ganun ba yun?
O, di ba? Si Ma'am Dory.
You didn't know as well.
ganun
Dami ko
pala
natututunan
yun.
dito eh. Alright, anyway,
yes.
before we continue with our short discussion this afternoon about Jobs Qatar, let me say hi again to the following people watching right now. Having the shout out to Sir Gerard Behuela, Manoks to go daw. Yes, please do visit Maharlika Park Restaurant and get that Manoks to go. I'm pretty sure you will not regret
And the
it.
fried chicken.
Yes.
Ang sarap ng fried chicken nila.
Yung sisig, I would recommend you try it out. Sky Gonzalez and to Miss Ting, good
Yes,
afternoon to both of you.
hello.
Sir Alan, if you're watching, well, he's always busy. He's always on the go. All right. And then to Alvin Sabado Guanson, good afternoon, bro. Thank you. To Catherine Buhodada, hi, Miss Dory, and hi, QCast team. Good afternoon. Trixie, good afternoon to you. Thank you. To Miss Ansi, hi Francis and Christine Chi. Thank you. To my good friend, the architect from UAP, Arnold Baleda Belier, architect. Arnold, good afternoon to you. Thank you. And what else we have? To Adrian Mayo of Qatar Social Media is also watching.
Yeah.
Madami pa.
Si Ma'am Bem,
Kazia,
nandito din.
Ola, sorry?
Si Ma'am Bem.
Ma'am Bem is watching?
Yeah,
Miss
and-
Bem of Beggar World? Oh,
Yeah.
hi Ma'am Bem. Good
And
afternoon to you.
Junjun.
Oh, Junjun. Oh, Junjun is
From
watching.
Manoks to
Sorry.
Go
Yeah.
commercial.
All right, because I'm only looking at the comment section. And,
Okay.
All right. There's a lot here. Thank you guys for
Yes.
joining us.
Shout
Magandang
out
hapon.
din from Philippines. I have watchers from
Yes,
Philippines.
go ahead.
Yes. Hello, Abubo Clan.
Wow.
Yes,
Buong
Abubo.
clan.
Yes, naka-online. Abubo. Abubo, Monar family, and of course, Makaraig family.
see. Wow.
Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Nalala ko yung Labubu.
Takot ako sa labu.
Labubu clan.
Yes, Abubo Clan. Yes.
What's this grace about? It's so fascinating how we're so indulging into these kinds of trends for some reason.
Which
Ang
means
mahal-mahal.
Which means you have to make
What?
sure you have to interview one.
Fanatics.
Fanatics.
Oo.
I know.
Oo.
We'll look into that one. Anyway, let's go back to Jobs Qatar. I just have this. I would say I'm thinking about this in the past few days because it's really one of the admirable thing to do for someone. Okay, diba? To provide a platform for those looking for a new opportunity,
Yes.
and then it's considering na hindi to talaga full-time job ni Miss Dory, diba? It's just something that she does on the side. It's an advocacy, right?
Yes.
Hanggang kailan mo to gagawin?
Hanggang may kasama kong admin.
Ang daming admin niya.
Well,
Kasi for sure.
this one never. I didn't expect that it's going to be
Yeah.
like full blown.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So and we have different nationalities coming in,
Correct.
joining in.
Correct.
I have like 100 more who are looking for a chance to be in. So might as well create another group by
Yes.
next week. That will be the ninth group
Yeah.
for Jobs Qatar.
Yeah.
And the thing is, as much as possible, it is an advocacy, yes, and it's voluntary, and I've not been connected monetarily for this
Yeah.
issue,
Wow.
so they would understand that at some point, yes. So at some point, they would. Minsan lang talaga the one which I'm facing right now is the time. So
Yeah.
because I have a full-time job,
Yeah.
so it's basically like I can only share the posts only when I'm free. So I
Yeah.
can't do it during work.
Yes.
So that's the thing. So if someone comes in the picture who is also who shares the same passion of the sense of volunteerism and do that also, then that's fine.
Yeah, that's
Someone
nice.
who's not going to be a representative for any organization. So because I don't represent any organization
To
doing
begin with,
this.
yeah.
Yes, to
Yeah.
begin with. So from PHRPQ, I'm just expanding the work from the HR group. So being also PHRPQ is non-profit organization,
Yes.
and
Yes.
we are continually boosting the credentials of the Filipino HR professionals here in
Yes.
Qatar. We've just had recently ang dami nilang graduates of
Nice.
CHRM
Congratulations
and
to all of you.
CHRPQ. So CHRM and CHRP na we were able to arrange with, we were able to affiliate in a way that the costs would be really lesser
That's
from
nice.
where they're taking from. So at the same time, internationally recognized din siya.
Totoo.
Nice.
So that's
This is open to all non-Filipinos as well, hindi lang mga Filipino.
well,
Tama ba?
they have opened
I
already.
see. That's
Actually,
really nice.
PHRPQ is the representative here in MENA
Oh,
for the CHRM and CHRP already.
that's a big
So-
responsibility to hold on.
Oh yes,
right?
it is. But at the same time, it would be like an avenue also to make all the HR professionals closer.
Yes.
So not only Filipinos but other nationalities as well. Yeah.
Nice.
Kaya
Okay.
saludo ako sa mga officers
Yeah.
naman ng PHRPQ.
Actually, I had the time to somehow have a Q cam with the
Oh.
PHRPQ. What was it? Yeah, Wednesday this week?
Yeah,
Parang
that was
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yung tambayan.
So,
HR
yeah,
tambayan.
yung tambayan.
Tambayan.
You do that every Wednesday.
Yes,
as,
every
as what
Wednesday.
Doc Richel said. So
Yeah.
for those HR practitioners here in Doha, if you have, well, you should be involved in this kinds of
Yes.
organizations because it help you like extend your network at the same time you new learnings that they may
Yes.
incorporate in the work that they're doing currently.
And
It's
even-
really helpful.
And even dun sa mga organizations or company representatives na they want to have a grasp ng kung ano yung mga
Latest.
Yeah.
Qatar labor law,
Yeah,
mga ganon.
exactly. That's what they have to understand.
Yung meron ka lang ng connection with the PHRPQ, isang
Yes.
malaking bagay yun kasi you can ask them for consultation and it's for free.
For free.
Yes.
Yun
correct.
yung maganda kasi they're doing it for free.
Yeah.
Even if they are having full-time job, they still have time to do that.
Yes.
Nice.
So, saludo talaga ako sa kanila.
Right.
Saludo
yes.
ako actually sa inyo, sa ginagawa nyo. It's dapat may monumento na kayo.
But you know that the PHRPQ was actually like a concept. It came out because of the idea that they want to have like a badminton ng mga taga-HR. It
Oh, I
just
see.
came out from that concept lang
Idea.
talaga.
Nice.
And then na-invite na rin yung mga ibang members, yung mga
Yes.
BOD, and then we said, okay, let's make this serious. So, thank you kay Richard Ives
Yes,
Valdez.
Sir Richard.
Siya yung godfather.
Godfather, oo.
Nice. Nice.
Godfather.
Very
And
godfather.
siya yung nag-conceptualize
You never know with those
talaga.
simple ideas na magkakaroon ng ganito,
yes.
diba?
And at saka
Okay.
yung stronghold talaga namin. Siyempre
Oo.
si Miss Amy Andrada.
Si Ma'am Amy,
Yes. Siya yung talagang expert dyan.
Correct.
And-
At saka
Ma'am
siya yung
Amy.
isa sa mga nag encourage talaga. Individually talaga ini-encourage na,
Yeah.
dear, you should join.
Yes.
Dear, you
Very
should
true.
try this.
I see.
So,
That's really
yun yung
nice.
pinaka-importante sa isang organization is someone who keeps on encouraging and
Yes.
keeps you reminded of what you need to do
Yes, of
sa career mo.
And we have resident trainers also. So in the field of training like Dr. Rochelle.
Ah, yes.
Yeah,
So,
si Doc. Yeah,
Yes.
that's
So
true.
marami. And then you will have to have like trainings which are minsan free pa nga eh. The only thing that you're going to be paying lang pag gano'n na meeting would be the venue, the hotel, ganun
Yung
lang.
food, mga ganon.
Yes, but we don't charge.
That's a must, I would say. Kasi
Yeah.
magugutom ka naman.
Oo
Pumunta ka
naman. Kailangan mo pa rin kumain.
Yes, that's true. Okay. Anyway, I really hope that you guys could spread the word to everybody else, especially for those who is not aware of this organization and the benefits of joining it. At the same time, matutulungan nito yung hindi lang mga Pilipino, di ba?
Right.
Everybody else who's looking for a new avenue, a new opportunity, it will always be a good platform. Not just the PHRPQ, but also the Jobs Qatar, which is, I would say, it's one of those things that makes life simple, di ba? They just have to turn on their phone, take a look at it, and the rest should be done by them, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung legwork,
That's true.
it's always about the applicants. They shouldn't be so dependent on what the recruiter is what the recruiter is posting there.
Yes.
Everything else, it's always about the applicant. Diba?
Right.
Tama
Yes,
naman yun, diba?
yes. Hopefully we can have like a website soon.
Kailangan na yan.
Dapat may website na ang Jobs Qatar.
My
Yes.
God. I'm working on it, Tors.
Ay, parinig pala
Yeah.
yun.
Oh,
Char.
yes.
Yeah.
I have
We- we-
150 plus
Yes.
contributors. So
Yeah.
they are
Wow.
representatives. They are recruiters and representatives from different companies. They're working. Sometimes some CEOs and GMs are also calling me. Can you help me? Like, I have this one. Can you help me like this? So I just tell them that what I could be of assistance to you is I will just share your vacancies, and you will be the one to filter the CVs that you're going to be receiving. But I'm telling them that if you are not by nature a recruiter, you would really be surprised as to how many CVs you're going to be receiving. Like one job post, you'll get a ton of CVs. Even the position you're applying for is an engineer the position available is an engineer.
Yes.
You will even get up to like different industries. So makikita mo dyan may mag-a-apply na painter, may mag-a-apply na singer, or mga ganon. So,
anyway,
yes.
Problema na nila yun. Importante, we share what they're looking for. I think it's as a recruiter, it's the fundamentals, I would say, of sorry.
Jobs Qatar will stay.
Na ano ako eh.
Yeah.
I need water.
Ito.
So, Jobs Qatar will stay. It will be there at the same time. Maybe pag magkaroon kami ng additional admin, because I might not have that much time to share it. Kasi, di ba, full-time
Ang pangit ang
siya.
you don't have much time. Parang,
No, it's a matter
An extra time.
Yeah, they might like expect that within the day they will get like 2 or 3
response,
times of the posts being shared. I've done it like once or twice before going to work, and after work normally ginagawa ko na lang yun. I still am squeezing my time to providing that one. So sana meron kaming additional admin to do that.
that's such a very generous act of you
Yes.
to be paying attention
Yung
to
walang
this kind of
sweldo
things.
ha, baka mag-expect ng sweldo.
In the first place yun nga eh.
Non-profit.
Volunteer talaga lang. Volunteering job.
In the first place talaga, hindi mo talaga siya like work, and then at the same time, hindi mo talaga siya like full-time na ginagawa, but still you're there to help our kababayans.
Yes.
It's I would say admirable, as I've said
Thank
earlier.
you.
And then sana madami pang Dory sa mundo, no? Yung
Yes.
tipong they care about how the well-being of others, especially for those seeking or looking for new opportunities. Diba? And then I hope mabuhay ka, mas matagal pang panahon. at sana you don't get tired. The thing you said earlier, you're looking for someone who would somehow paano ba papamanahan mo nito?
Someone who can share the
Same
responsibilities.
passion.
Oo.
You're too passionate to do this actually.
Di ba pinakita
kasi-
ko sa'yo how it's
Yeah,
done?
yeah,
Like everything's mano a mano.
Exactly. That's why
Basically,
just looking at how you do things, it made me tired. I mean, it made me tired already. Paano pa kung akong gagawa nun, di ba? I mean, it's a lot of legwork, I would say, di ba? I really admired the passion that you're putting on this, the effort that you're sharing to make sure na may mapuntahan yung bawat isang tao na walang trabaho at the moment, or simply looking for a new
additional
opportunity.
hope kasi.
Yeah. Malaki pa,
Exactly.
marami pang gustong mangyari sa kanya actually. Hindi lang siya, I'm planning that it's not only in the WhatsApp. I'm planning to have the website as well.
Oh, yes.
And from the website, I could explain, or I could have like more posts on job tips and tricks.
Oh.
And like, for example, maybe I could share them a link as to where they could find a resume template
Yes.
or a CV template in which mas babagay sa kanila, some tips and tricks. And there are some also website in which it offers free service in which they're going to read the CV and they're going to identify how many good points or the ranking of the CV, because this would be in response to the ATS.
I see.
Yes.
And how they would also suggest on what ways they could
I see.
you could improve your CV.
yeah.
Do you think it's a good thing? Well, since you brought it up, I mean, do you think it's a good thing that people should be engaging in AI, especially in creating a CV?
Oh, yes.
Definitely.
Very true.
Okay.
Very true.
Because it's the future.
Yes, it is.
Yes. And it gives you like additional help.
Yeah.
Kasi may mga times na, dapat pala nilagay ko to.
Yeah.
Dito pala
okay.
ako mapapansin.
Yeah.
Yung mga vantage point.
Yes.
Mga
Okay. I
vantage
see.
point talaga.
Nice.
Yes.
Wow. Anything else you want to add up to our discussion this afternoon?
Talagang puro
Dory?
jobs Qatar lang pag-uusapan
Yes.
natin.
If you want, we can dig down deeper.
Gusto niyo po kanta
But
po
anyway,
kayo.
we don't really...
You know what? You know what?
Pwede, why not?
No, I'm going to tell you something.
Go.
I'm not really like a singer. Okay, I'm not really a singer. That's why I compensate through public speaking.
Yes.
ang sister ko, si Bing, siya talaga yung singer.
I see.
And yung mala, Lea Salonga tayo.
Wow.
Yung hindi mo talaga makikita yung madi-differentiate from a chest tone to a head tone. Hindi mo talaga makita yung difference.
Yung mixed, tawag nito, mixed
Chest tone,
voices.
head tone.
Yes. Kaya,
Just voice, head voice.
yes,
iba yan.
even my daughter, si Edrinel, yun, magagaling yung makumanta. Yung asawa ko, Tom Jones, yan ang ano.
Wow. we can have them sit down here next time probably.
So I compensate through sa public speaking na lang.
You
Bawing-bawi naman.
You cannot have it all.
Yun na nga.
Very true. I can't
Sabi nga,
have it all.
I'm a jack of all trades, but a master of none.
Yes.
Sabi na.
And also,
Always,
because of the public speaking, yun, nag-extend ako rin ng assistance to different public speaking clubs here.
Okay.
So,
for Toastmasters,
yes,
correct?
sa Toastmasters. So, PICPA, hello, PICPA Toastmasters.
Yeah.
Yan. Sila yung
Mga suki.
moment. I'm one of their mentors, basically, sa public speaking. And also, IIE SQC, Filipino Toastmasters Club. And yun yung, we are trying to build a community of speakers in Qatar.
That's nice.
Mga Filipino speakers in Qatar. That's why we are trying our best to invite and to expand the Toastmasters community here in Qatar.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Just as well, it's a non-profit organization. Kasi ang problema tayo sa ating mga Filipino is that we have all the skills except for that public speaking in which ganito yan. Alam, there was one incident in which may oras pa ba tayo?
Yeah, pwede pa. Sige lang.
Yun ang
Go ahead.
problema pag kinuha niyo akong speaker. Wala naman nalita ako.
We have 4 minutes left.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
go. Yeah, keep going.
We can't wrap
It's
that.
fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
So, meron isang different nationality, sinabi sa akin, you know what's the problem amongst you Filipinos is that you don't have the courage to speak up and ask for an increase. You don't demand an increase. You
I
don't
see.
demand promotion.
Wow.
You don't have that courage to do so. You don't want you can't you are not you have all the means to be to be promoted, but you don't take a step.
Yeah.
One step further.
I'm guilty about it.
Yes, it's true. Kasi,
I think it's part of our culture because we're
Yun
not
na
so
nga eh.
demanding, di ba?
Yes.
We were raised that way.
Tsaka naniniwala kasi tayo sa magkukusa.
Correct.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yes.
But the thing is, in the business world, walang talagang pagkukusa. You just
Yeah.
have to make papansin.
Yes.
Yun yung dapat natin sigurong baguhin in a better way.
Yeah. Yun.
Unfortunately, yung mga... Akin na. Baka may masabi akong mali.
Pero
I don't wanna overstep.
I mean, yung mga iba talaga, it's something that they have to ponder on.
I see.
Is that I've been this far in my profession and I'm mas magaling ako kaysa kanya, mas magaling ako ganun, 'di ba? So anong ginawa mo? Anong gagawin mo ngayon, 'di ba? Sige, okay, additional certifications here and there, additional credentials, going to different have more achievements, etc. Okay, go ahead. But why don't you take the initiative to approach your manager, present yourself and all the achievements that you had, and talk about your promotion or your increment?
Yes,
or
that's
that
true.
one. Yes.
Sabi
So
nga
mga
nila,
nanonood dyan, baka bukas pa lang may mga letters at emails na kayo.
that's actually, I would attest to what she said kasi you'll never know the answer if you never ask a question.
Yeah,
Right?
that's true.
But
always-
don't threaten your manager.
If you will not give me an
Don't
increase,
threaten
I will
Yes.
resign.
You know,
Para may kilala akong ganun.
if there's one thing that you're not supposed to do is to threaten or to to threaten to resign,
I see.
because a person who had already expressed his resignation, from the HR's point of view, we really have to go.
Yeah.
Because if it's not meant your expectation that the person would not be very productive, so that would entail that the person is no longer
I agree.
very happy with
I
that.
agree.
Yes. Or
I agree.
maybe may mga personal matters siya that she needs to
Yes.
attend to yung mga ganong bagay.
That's right.
Yeah.
So it's a
Parang
no-no.
it gives like a dissatisfaction to the employer.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you portray that kind of character, na parang, ay, he's no longer interested to work with us.
Yes.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
ganun.
Pero
Okay.
for me, promotion
sense.
and giving an increase, it should be a two-way communication. It's
Yeah.
coming from the employee and of course from the company. Kasi for sure, most of the companies have their employee benefits,
Yeah.
mga ganun. So, dapat yun yung isa sa mga ginigauge talaga ng even ng company. Kasi
Yes.
the more na hindi mo bibigyan ng importance yung mga deserving na tao, you will lose the best people.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
true.
From
I
your
hope they're all
team,
listening
from the
right now.
company. Yeah. I hope so. I hope
Mas
so.
Okay.
certo nito.
Yeah.
And siguro, one thing, ilang minuto pa tayo.
Okay, go ahead. Just go ahead.
Now, as a job seeker, siguro, what you need to have constantly is, well, the faith. Yes. Faith. Tapos, you just have to submit everything.
Yeah.
Na everything's happening for a reason.
Yes.
Diba? So,
That's
I'm a
true.
living testament.
Yes.
So, and then at the same time, keep the connection alive.
Yeah.
As
Don't
much
burn
as,
bridges.
Don't burn
Yeah,
bridges. And
that's
as much
true.
as possible, maintain a good relationship with
The former.
recruiters, with
Yeah,
whoever
yeah. Yes.
you have around you,
That's true.
who supported you, and try to befriend everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
So, malay mo, the person who is usually annoying you or whatever is going to be the person who's going to be helping you later
Yeah,
on.
that's
Yes,
true.
that's true.
So you really have to be kind always,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
you have to maintain that good relationship.
Yes.
And yun yung mga gusto kong
Yeah.
kasi if you have good relations, it's not a matter of sila yung magbibigyan ng work sa'yo. It's not like that.
Yeah. It
It's
could be a
not-
connection,
Yeah,
a bridge.
Yes, it's just a bridge because they will take you a step closer.
Yeah, that's true.
And at the end of the day, it's really up to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's true. And I always believe that a rejection is always a redirection.
Oh, nice.
Naniniwala ako dun. Kasi I wouldn't be same.
Tumingin talaga.
Same. I wouldn't be in this place right now if I never took the faith of leap.
Yes.
Leap of faith.
Leap of
Sorry.
faith.
A leap of
Yes.
faith. Diba?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Last
Anyway,
last one.
Go ahead.
One. Upskill yourself.
upskill. That's
Continually
correct.
upskill yourself.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
it doesn't mean upskilling is just in the same profession.
Yes.
Maybe may mga change of hearts tayo na maybe I already had this level of yung maximum level mo para dun sa isang field or profession ng yun.
Yeah.
Upskilling is not just in the same
Yeah.
field. It's
Right.
maybe you're going to another
Career.
career or profession or career path na mas makikita mo, dahil sa mga nalaman ko dito or natutunan ko dito sa current position ko, meron pa pala akong pwedeng ibuga.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
Learning
true.
learning should never stop. I mean,
Yes.
learning should it's like a continuous process.
Totoo.
Sabi nila, diba? Every day is a learning progress.
Yes.
So kapag naging stagnant ka, if you're being isolated on one aspect only, you don't have your horizon is like this. Hindi mo binobroaden yung opportunity for you to learn. Especially nowadays, I have to say that the generation nowadays is very lucky to have so much
Totoo.
tools available.
Daming tools.
Diba?
Yeah.
YouTube, AI, they can actually maximize everything.
Yes.
It's all at the palm of their hands.
Yeah.
Hindi tulad natin panahon natin, right?
kahit
If you
din
want to
naman sa
learn
panahon
something, you have to go to the library.
Kala ko sasabihin mo yun.
Or you have to go to the expert,
The
diba?
experts,
You
right?
have to
which
make
is
interview pa,
which is
diba?
always far-fetched
Yes.
during our times. Kasi hindi ganun. Wala pa tayong technology that time. When
Right.
the internet
Totoo.
came,
Yeah.
1995, tama ba?
Yes.
1995 and not all the province have the
Yeah. Siguro yung mga urban areas lang, di ba? But not really with the provinces. So I actually wanted to inform the young generations right now. Make the most of it. You know what? Everything is there. All you have to do is study. That's it. Kasi it cannot be like spoon-fed sa inyo, no? Sobre naman yun.
And you have to surround yourself with
people.
Oo.
You have to make sure that you have the right circle.
Yes.
Oo.
And sa akin na,
Individuals.
it's not just only one circle. You should
Yeah.
have like different circles.
Yes.
Kasi
Oblong.
malay mo, hindi malay mo, isang circle na to,
Small
it's
circle,
more on
big
this
circle.
one. Tapos bear.
Yeah.
Hindi, kasi like for example, if you want to grow, hindi pwedeng sa isang bubble ka lang
That's
or isang
true.
circle.
Yeah.
Malay mo dun sa another circle, pwede ko palang ipag-combine yung pag-aralan ko dito sa dito.
Yeah.
Tapos may better version ka.
Yes.
Then it will lead to another circle.
Yeah.
Another group of people.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa yun, may nagawa na sila. Naging may Jobs Qatar na, may PHRPQ na, may mga ibang organizations pa dito sa Qatar na it all just started maybe sa McDonald's, sa coffee shop, sa tambayan sa isang bahay.
Correct.
And see how they are making a lot of change sa mga buhay ng mga tao. It might be small, but later on, it's getting big kasi iba yung naging change nila sa buhay ng ibang
How
tao.
I wish I could say that for QCast as well. A few years from now.
Nakikinig lang yung mga tao dito. And
You'll never know.
Tsaka yun din, sa QCast, it's I really admire what QCast is doing. Kasi you're giving the spotlight to those people na alam mo yun, we don't really need na dapat fancy kami, malaki kaming organization, dapat malaki yung pangalan namin just to be in this platform. So anyone who can contribute or to share something na para sa mga viewers, that's already you're doing a good job already.
Thank
you're
you
giving
so
us
much.
the platform for that.
You're on the right track.
Thank you so much.
Resigning.
I deserve a round of applause. Okay. Doris, if anybody wishes to join Jobcast, perhaps, what do they need to do? Who do they need to contact?
Well, I can't share my number
Yeah.
here,
But
yes,
Go ahead.
there's a website soon.
Yeah.
Where they're going to be joining them
Yes.
at the same. Although they could reach out to QCast and whoever's going to be interested, RJ Francis is going to be sharing to you the
A
number,
link. Or a link, right?
the link as to where you could really you could join.
yeah,
And yun lang, and then share at the same
share.
time.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Dory Makaraeg.
Thank you so much. Inalis
Thank you.
ko na yung headset. ko.
Yeah.
Kasi parang lumalaki yung mukha ko. Dun sa dagdag ng laki. You know what?
We have a
This-
very insightful afternoon. Go ahead.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it's true. At alam mo yung shinare ko na, yung picture ko sa profile pic, which they see it also
Yes.
sa WhatsApp. It's not really like my face, right? But
Yes.
parang may up
So
lang
this is
doon
like a
na-
revelation that people now
So now
sees
you
your
can
face.
see me. And as a proof, I have my hair still the same.
Yes.
And the bangs.
And the bangs, and yung damit. Oh, di ba? Like, wala lang talaga ako normally. Pero,
hindi siya mistaken identity. It's the real deal, people. Okay. All right. Before we close our show this afternoon, I want to say hi to Pat Marteja Lial. Hi to you, and also
Hello,
to Noel
Pat.
Gabane.
Hello.
Thank you. And for
From
everybody.
Philippines to, nanonood sa Philippines si
Ay, wow.
Noel.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
IAE Toastmaster President,
Yes.
ex-president. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Yes.
Everybody else who watched and shared the video, please share the good word to everybody else, especially for those wanting to find a new opportunity, and for those who are seeking for a new start,
Yeah.
perhaps. You can replay the video and you can hear a lot of insights from, of course, Miss Dory, our
Yeah.
resource person this afternoon. Of course, from Miss Christine Chi of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. Yan. Hindi na siya kakanta ngayon.
And PHRPQ.
And also PHPQ, yes.
of course.
Both of you are actually from PHRPQ.
Yes,
And to all the members of PHRPQ, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat for tuning in. And again, for those HR enthusiasts, they can always approach anybody from PHRPQ if they wanted to join the organization,
Yes.
right?
We
Okay,
will
so
be
just-
opening it also
Yeah.
to administrative assistants. Or
Oh,
mga-
nice, nice.
Kasi
Well,
wala
because it
silang
goes hand in
organization.
hand, di ba? Tama
Wala
ba?
kasi silang organization.
I
So,
see.
we want them to be under our
I
wing
see.
and
Yes.
to just the same,
Yeah.
give them out the same programs.
I see.
You know what,
Nice.
Francis?
I haven't.
Yung
No.
minsan, like today, secretary, bukas sa HR na sila.
Yeah. I would say.
Kasi
Most companies
hindi na
actually
sila
ganun.
mag-hire sa labas because the secretary has been involved with all the procedures,
Yes.
etc. Then the next day they become agad-agad.
Parang exposure. Next is
But the thing is,
grooming
but the thing
na
is
lang
they don't
ginagawa,
have
no?
the skills,
The skills.
pa.
Yes.
Na they should know to combat them
I
as an
see.
HR.
Yeah.
Yun yung mga kailangan nila from an admin staff or a different administrative position.
Yeah.
So when you're going to the HR, it's not just like you're hiring. Maraming factors yun na ma-offer ng PHRPQ para sa mga ganong
I see.
profession.
Nice. I would say na I really commend the companies who would send their people to undergo trainings, diba?
yes.
Mga ganun, parang nakikita nila ng potential, but not all companies do that in the first place. So, if ever naman wala kayong opportunity na ganun, I think the PHRPQ can actually give you those kinds of trainings, even certifications, tama ba? They can actually
Yes.
undergo those things. The CHRPQ, tama ba?
CHRM and
CHR, sorry, CHPQ.
They're internationally recognized na UK siya. It's just a matter of paying a fee
fee,
pa rin,
yeah.
because it's not like we're gaining from it. No? We just made the bridge between
Nice.
them
That's
and
nice.
the party, but we tried our best to lessen the costs, so you can actually it's going to be like
Yeah.
25% out from the huge
Yes.
one
It's a big
that they're going
one.
to be taking from other.
That's a big savings, I
Yeah,
would say.
indeed. So yeah.
Okay. Well, I think we don't have enough time right now. It's 5:40 in the afternoon. I actually had like a
Di pa natin
overtime.
pinag-usapan yung pagkakwela ko sa Toastmasters.
We'll park it for next time because we've talked last time. We will be guesting also the PHRPQ team.
Yes.
Probably in December, perhaps.
Yes.
November's already fully
Fully
booked.
booked. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we hope to see you once again, Ma'am Dory. And thank you so much,
Thank you.
Ms.
Thank
Christine
you so
Chi,
much.
Thank you
for
so much,
joining this
Francis.
afternoon.
My honor.
Yes, sorry, last message to everybody watching right now. Go ahead.
For one, I'm not a recruiter. I'm not representing any organization, but I've been in your shoes. So those who are applicants, and I've been there. We've all been. Others are not really like looking for a job, but better opportunity. We've been there. We have struggles. We have our own stories. We sometimes can express to our friends or family members. It's yung iba, they're just taking it solely by themselves, but don't lose hope. Keep the faith. Submit everything. I have always this faith, and try to go out and have friends and connect.
Yes.
True.
And
True.
you just don't know who's the person who's going to be bringing you closer to the opportunity.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Totoo
true.
yan.
That's nice. I really admire everything you're doing for our community.
Thank you. Pinapaiyak mo naman ako.
No, 'cause some people have no idea
Yeah,
what
they
you've
don't
gone
have
through, diba?
idea.
I mean, we have a share of
Yes.
stories,
Yeah.
diba? So
Yes.
that's why I really admire. And, that's I would say that's what we call unconditional love. If you're trying to help somebody else and you're struggling with the same kind of
Yeah.
issues in life, that's really something. That's really big.
That's
yeah.
that's the real definition of helping.
Helping. That's true. And
Yes,
I
without
would say that
anything in return, that's really helping. Yun yun.
ayoko sabihin baka mayak tayo.
Kasi,
Anyway.
how can you help other people? Sometimes the notion
Yeah.
of helping others is how can you help others if you're not helping
Yeah,
yourself?
yeah.
But
That's
it
true.
is possible also to help, but in different ways.
That's true.
It may not be financial, but it can be other ways.
Yeah.
So I have the skills. I have the communication skills. I have the technical skills. So that was one of the reasons also that I paved the way for the job scatter. And
Yeah.
sayang
Nice.
information lang kasi na nasi-share. Malay mo, nandyan lang yung makakakinabang, di ba?
That's true.
Totoo,
That's
totoo.
true.
Yes. Asan ang tissue?
Mamaya, how about you, Miss Christine Chi?
Ako naman, wag ka talagang matakot na mag-try and makipag-usap sa ibang tao kahit na feeling mo you're not at the same level. Kasi malay mo, when you start opening your mouth and saying something, baka mas maintindihan nila na, you belong in this group. At saka, yun, always do something or anything that will help you to level up. Yun lang
Nice.
talaga yun. Don't
That's really
stop. Kahit nasa bahay ka, you can do a lot of things. And hindi ko magagawa yun, hindi ko sila mamimit if I didn't go out
Yeah.
of my house
Yes.
para mag-explore. Yun. From a very shy person.
Ay, shy daw ah.
Oo, dati shy talaga ako.
in?
Oo, tapos hanggang naging makapal na po yung mukha ko. Kahit na feeling ko
In a
hindi ko
good way
kaya.
naman.
Oo,
In
kahit
a
hindi ko
good way.
kaya. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-host before
Yeah.
or anything. Pero sabi ko, baka kaya ko naman.
Yeah.
Try ko lang. Wala namang masama kung mag-try, diba? But when you're trying, hindi talaga siya, it's going not to be all good.
Yeah.
Hindi siya magiging easy. There will be a lot of times that you will cry kasi you have heard a lot of bad comments, bad criticism.
Yeah.
But you just have to make something na yung mga bad criticism ng yun or mga comments ng yun, make it as your inspiration to do better. Iiyak mo lang yan. Iyak mo lang yan. Talk to other
Dapat yung background
person.
music ko, maalaala mo.
Oo, hindi. I just want to share that one. Kasi baka
that's true.
malay mo yung mga mahiyaing tao. I'm one of those shy people na malaki na yung naging...
You came out of your shell.
Oo. Malaki naging improvement from being shy to this makapal na mukha na tao. Yun lang talaga.
Okay.
Plus, they have to
it's
join
good.
Toastmasters.
Yes.
They have to join Toastmasters din. Kasi mamaya, ang next step ni T na gagawin is approach niya yung manager niya, and then she would
Ask for an appraisal.
Yes. She would prepare all the evidence na meron na siyang ginawa.
Yeah.
And then all those pieces of evidence dadalhin niya. Because she was just able to speak up na.
Yeah.
I
How about
hope I
you,
have-
Francis?
I hope I have
How
all
about
the
you?
luck in the world. You know, one thing I learned from having to go through life is, parang tanda na. no?
Wow. Kami naman magtatanong sa'yo. Lagi ikaw nagtatanong.
Um, just do your thing. And if you feel like you're on the right track, and if you feel contentment and happiness in what you're doing, as long as you're not sabotaging anybody else,
Yes.
just keep going. Because
Yes.
eventually things will prosper, and then you get to where you want to be.
Yeah.
Of course, with faith, you have to keep praying as well
Totoo.
for all the things you're doing. Kasi hindi naman lahat yan legwork eh. It's always about your determination and your faith. Magkasabay lagi yun eh. Hindi lang pwedeng, ay magaling kasi ako. If you believe so much in yourself, no. You'll never get to where you want to be in life. So you always have to add prayers on everything you're doing, right? On a daily basis. Yun lang masasabi ko. And it really speaks a lot to me because I've also I also experienced, rock bottom situation in life, and eventually we're here. We're okay. Diba? Yun lang. Salamat, Lord. Thank you, bro. And with that, I want to say goodbye to everybody. Anyone you want to shout out before we close?
Marami
Martisha.
pa nag-message.
Martisha
Yes.
Flores, good
Ayun.
afternoon to you. Thank
Si
you.
Mr. Gyrex.
Hey, Sir Jai, good
Ayan.
afternoon.
Nandito
Mommy
na ako.
Marlene.
She was watching as well.
Yes, Mr.
Hi, Mommy
Zeki.
Marley.
Ito na.
Okay, madami, grabe. We have so much to talk about, and I appreciate all your insights about this short discussion we have.
Shell
And,
Baninia from Canada ba to? Or
From Canada.
Oh,
Good
from Canada or
afternoon.
Australia. Nako.
Di ko alam.
papadala ko dito.
Thank you. Who
Hello,
else?
Shell.
Who else?
Yan. Israel. Okay, sis Sky,
Sis Sky.
of course. And yung mga iba. Okay, great.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again, Ma'am Dory, and of course,
Thank
with
you
Miss
so
Kristen Chi.
much. Thank you.
It's been my pleasure to have you guys live on Q this afternoon. I hope we could do this again anytime in the future. 5:47 in the afternoon, sir, time for us to go. Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you again next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And that's on cue for today. See you again next time.